everyone, welcome back for another video, or welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to pick up my boys. It's the week of we celebrate our Ash Wednesday is a public holiday here, so they have, I think they call it midterm break, and they've been out of school since Wednesday. Today, what is today? I don't even know. Today's Friday. So they were supposed to come on the Knutsford yesterday. However, they were late. So their dad said as they were driving in, the bus was driving out. So they had to change the ticket, and it's the only bus that comes to the stop that I wanted to pick them up at. He could have changed it for another bus later that would go somewhere else, but we hadn't thought about it. Well, he didn't call me right away. He called me after he changed the dates for the next day. But I think probably if he called me, I wouldn't have thought of it either. But yeah, there's an evening bus that goes to another location that's just a little bit further away than this stop. But anyhow, so I'm gonna pick them up and I'm gonna take them to see their grandparents because since they're primarily at their dad now, and I'm around 30 to 45 minutes away from their grandparents. The last time they were here, oh yeah, I think I did take them up there and they spent the night. So I tried to let them get to visit because, especially for my mom, these are the only grandkids she has had contact with for a while, because the rest of her grandkids are in the United States, so these are the only ones that she's been able to hug up and love up physically. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna bring them up there, and I'm gonna take you guys for the ride they took. It is now, it's 9:53 a.m. They got on the bus. Well, the departure time was 7:15 a.m. So I was calling Antonio a while ago. I didn't get him, so I'm assuming they're sleeping, because initially when he called me in the morning, he told me that Aiden was sleeping. I was like, he's sleeping already? But Aiden has motion sickness, so he tends to fall asleep really quickly when we're driving. He's always been like this, and I didn't realize as a baby, as he got older and he could explain how he was feeling, that I realized that he has motion sickness. So he falls asleep pretty quickly when we're driving. I have motion sickness too, but I tend to have, they call it passenger side motion sickness, so when I'm driving I'm fine. But when I do some types of driving, like when I go, we have some very narrow winding roads here in Jamaica. So for example, if I'm traveling from St. James to Manchester and I drive through the hills, the road is very narrow and winding. I won't be sick while I'm driving, but at the end of that trip, at the end of that day, then I will have the weird feeling. It's like I'm almost nauseous, almost dizzy, but not quite either of those things, and it's just this weird kind of headache mixed in with it. So that happens to me. But yeah, so little story time about motion sickness and how it affects us. So the bus should be there 10. They give you an estimated time, but sometimes the buses come before or after I've been there already, and they call me and said they're there, and I was like, already so quick? So this bus might travel faster because it's Friday. I don't know, but I'm hoping that if they do get there. You guys saw in my last video, right? What was that? When they came down for New Year's, yeah? They arrived before me and I was waiting, right? They were waiting. I'm sorry, my bad English. Some patois was coming out a while ago. For the people that don't speak patois. Yeah, they reached before me and they were waiting. So So the point of telling you guys what time they got on the bus was to say that I want to stop and get them some food before I pick them up. And my mom is waiting on me. Well, she's not actually waiting on me, she's doing something, and then if she's done by the time I'm passing her, I'll pick her up before I go get them. So I'm gonna get food, possibly get mommy, get the boys, and then go up to the country. Okay guys, so I stopped at Burger King and I thought the line at Burger King would not be long, but it wasn't really long. I think there were like 3 cars in front of me. Here I'm crying. The car cannot be stationary for too long with him in the car seat. So I was there. They were moving very slow because even after I made my order and I ordered something that I assume would be ready or would be ready quickly, it took a while. I was there. I don't know how long I was in the line, but so I got their food, and while I was pulling out of the drive-through, another thing there, they didn't have a card machine for the drive-through. She told me that I would have to go inside. I was like, wow, the whole time I've been sitting out here in the car, it would have probably, if I had gone inside, I would have gotten through quicker. But anyway, in any case, I would have to wait. So while I was driving out, the bus actually passed, and I said, alright, that looks like it's the boys' bus. So I'm right behind it, so they won't have to wait. I have the air on blast all the way. So you guys are probably gonna be hearing that. I'll try to get the audio as clean as possible. The bus gone, so I can't show anything. But while we were in the line of traffic, I need to fix my AC service so badly in the car, because when the car is idling, it's useless, especially now that it's so hot. If it was raining or the time was cool, it'd be fine. But now when it's so hot, when the car is idling, whether I'm just parked or if I'm in traffic, it doesn't do so well to cool. So I need to get it serviced. I attempted to get it serviced one day. When I called the AC guy, he was like, oh, I'm not at my shop right now. Like, what time are you going to be going in? He said he don't know what time he's going in. I'm like, well, I want to service my car, and say it's this model this year. He tells me the price. I'm like, so what time can I come by? He's like, I don't know what time I'm coming in. I'm like, really? You're just gonna give up the money like that? Just, I don't know what time I'm coming in. And then I didn't call him back, so I don't know if he serviced my AC like twice before. I don't know if I'm gonna use him again at this rate, because I don't know what that's about. So we are almost at the airport. So is this another bus? Well, it must be another bus, because this one is coming from around. Yeah, this is a smaller one. Oh, I was saying that the card machine wasn't working, so I couldn't get anything. That's when he was saying that he wanted orange juice, but I didn't have enough cash on me to upgrade to orange juice, so I had enough cash to just buy the they have this combo. I don't remember what they call it. They get 2 meals. So that's what I bought. They call it mix and match. They call it. You can get you get 2 meals, and you can choose a burger or a chicken sandwich. So I got that an orange soda. I'm not getting orange juice, but you'll survive. So I'm going in. The bus is already stopped, so we shouldn't have to wait long, which is awesome. And I called my mom, and she said she was done with what she's doing, and she's calling me right now. So I'm gonna park and get the baby, because he was sweating while he was crying. I'm gonna park because I have to go inside and get him. I'm gonna park and get him, go inside, get the boys, and then we go and pick up grandma. And I don't know if she's going to want to do anything. I'm looking at the phone to look in the mirror. I was looking at the phone, searching for the mirror. Which is weird because I don't have a mirror right here anyway. Alright guys, so let's go for the kids. Let me show that. So see the Burger King there. And the guy was teasing me and saying, oh, him eat the other one. So I was there sitting down waiting because I didn't realize that the 2 meals were in this one little bag. And then he came and was like, Miss, you're all done. Their bus finally came. I was like there for an hour, and Kiran is giving Aiden this stink face. He's been staring at Aiden ever since they came out of the bus. He's just staring at Aiden, staring at Aiden, staring at Aiden.
Staring at Aiden with killing intent.
And now he's giving him the stink face. Initially he was just looking at him, but now he's giving him the stink face. So we are on our way to get Grandma. There's traffic. It's crazy. We're on our way to get Grandma, and then we're gonna run up to the hills.
Hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandma.
Hi.
That's all you have?
Eh?
That's all you have?
Yeah.
Do you have any stops to make?
We're buying food for them.
We stopped and bought some stuff at CPJ. They're in the trunk. I will show you them. And then I dropped off Mommy and Mother. She said she's going to buy patty for her lunch for today and for tomorrow. My mom is 7th-day Adventist, by the way. And I left her there to come and buy gas, and then the baby is sleeping, so after that then we're going home. It is now 12:49 p.m. and we don't reach country yet. That's maize berries. Some chickens running. This is cucumber. Let me see if there are any of them on it. Okay, see here? Cucumber. And bushes, banana trees, more breadfruit tree, more banana trees, papaya tree. Show you the papaya tree if you don't know what papaya tree look like. That's papaya right there. Chicken! Say hello, chicken. There's some more sugarcane, another chicken, whole heap of banana, breadfruit. There's an apple tree over there. Don't think there's anything on it. No apples, no blossoms. Oh, it look like apples on it. Huh? See one. Oh my, I'm walking under the coconut trees and I don't remember that things can lick me in my head. Coconuts, see? Them drop off. Oh, there are apples on the tree. There are apples on the tree. And birds making them go up road. Look how the birds doing the apples. Yep, birds. Alright, the birds gotta live too. Let me see if I can reach this one. Oh, I can reach this one over there, so clearly. I can't reach this, my too short. I can't reach it. Okay, I can reach this one though. My grandpa telling Aiden, oh, it's all cracked up and flies taking it. I can't reach that one another. I cannot reach it. Can't reach this one either. Can't reach none of them. I'll go pick apple. Oh. I'm sorry. They were very easy. They were just like right there. They were like saying, Beverly, put me on.
Uncle,
A spoon?
yes, it goes to
Coconut? Okay, we're getting coconut. You like coconut water? Alright. We're getting coconut. And coconut water. Christmas flowers. Can you see them? I can't see. Christmas flowers. We have. What them name? Somebody tell me what these flowers name. Put it in the comments down below. We have them in our yard. Yeah, so we like live here. Hi. Somebody's sitting over there on the veranda in their car seat. Oh, I can't zoom. He was sleeping, so I just put the seat there, and it's nice and cool. So I said, let me put the seat there on the outside. It's nice and cool. We're chilling. The boys are outside. I just changed him and fed him. Are you coughing? Are you just making coughing noises? Hmm? Yes, mother. 2? Oh. Oh yes, and 3 yogurt. Hey guys, so it's 4:05 p.m. and we are on our way home. The road is bumpy, so that's pretty much it for the. Okay, Antonio wants to show you cake
And a homemade.
Hold it up, look in the camera and see what you're showing. Yeah. So grandma gave them cake. Grandma gave them that cake, and then she gave me some other fruit cake, like Jamaican fruit cake, and
even just take it out.
and banana bread. And now everybody wants to show off the things. Hold on. Go again, baby. So that's black cake, Jamaican black cake, but mama, we don't make it with any alcohol. And then there's banana bread. Yeah. So grandma baked up a storm, and I think the one with the frosting is I think that one is black cake too. Is it? I think so. Can you see anywhere where the cake is coming out? I think it's black cake. She just decorated that one.
Yeah, it's brownish.
Yeah, it's black cake. I think that one, the black cake around there, and the banana bread doesn't have any eggs.
And he gives snacks and candy.
And they got snacks and candy, and they got Malta. Them
Yeah,
yogurt. Them just go shopping in them grandparents' house. Well, they didn't go shopping. My mom just started taking things out and giving to them.
They paid us to take their stuff.
Yeah, and they got money too. You know how it is with grandparents. Yep. So we are on our way home. Baby boy is sleeping. He fell asleep the minute the car starts to drive. Then the minute it stops, he wakes up with 4 wheels and tells us to drive again. Pretty much. So she's just gonna close out the vlog now. When we get home, they have to clean up their room. I was supposed to do it, and I just never got around to doing it. So their fan needs cleaning. Their sheets. Antonio needs to change his sheet, and Aiden's bed has no sheet on it. And their that when they left, whenever I did laundry, their clothes have been on their bed since then. I have a headache because I probably like 16 ounces of water today, which is horrible, so I have a headache. But yeah, guys, thank you for spending a little bit of my day with me, and you'll see me in the next video. Bye bye.
Push and come.
Really? I wanna now go left on shoes them out there, so watch out.
No.
I'm not coming back, I'm just looking at this clown. Aiden, why you have to be having watch out?
You can adjust the speed of the vehicle.
So why I feel like going so muddy with it?
That's his choice.
Am I videoing anything? Aiden, are you listening to me? Stay more up here because you can see if anybody is coming and stop and get out of the way. You know why you be going down the street.